somewhere. Let me show you the error. Here, when I click on coach track, it takes me to direct here in my schools. I'm not able to get access the course or other manage the course tables, or here is no option about course related create new schools. There is a create new schools. When I go back to inventor, click on my account, there we have to go on coach access, or yes, we have to go on coach access. Here we found course, manage course tab. We click on that and then go on to the course list, but I'm facing this issue. I'm not able to get in the course list. One more thing, to here. When I click on the I can enter the direct course tab like S4. No. When I click on back here to get the course list, I face this error. But here I am able to add the course section and add lessons. As we already done with this, so I cannot add more lesson in this section or in this course list. So I have to go back to the course list, which I am not able to go back and not able to add more course list. This is the issue. This is the error that I face.